Hi, in front of me is TCL 20 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now you need to choose Security and Biometrics, click on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer and tap on Start. Then choose Done and OK. So now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!